Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Nordic Market News. It is Friday the 20th of August and we are in the studio of news agency Direkt on behalf of Infront Finance. So let's take a look at the Nordic indices for the week so far. Stockholm led the way this week with a growth of 2.8%, pushing up the N40 to 1.8% for the week. Also, on the other hand, the only negative player taking a loss of over just 1% was Oslo. Year-to-date numbers have Oslo and Helsinki at over 8% growth each, with the N40 climbing closer to the 0% mark, holding at minus 1.4% so far. Let's take a look at what's been happening through the stocks in the Nordics this week. Nordic indices were largely unchanged on Monday, except for the Norwegian OBX, who started off the week significantly lower. This was due to the falling price of oil, which dragged down the largest company on the OBX, and actually the largest company in the entire Nordics, Equinor, formerly known as Statoil, more than 4%. Many Norwegian oil workers are on strike, and during this turmoil on Monday, another 900 Norwegian workers joined the strike. SEB was the first of the Swedish large banks to report their earnings for the first half of the year. SEB beat expectations on most of the analysts' bullet points, dragging the entire Swedish banking sector higher for the day. The biggest upset of company reporting came from Swedish medtech company Getinge, whose stock rallied more than 10% after releasing their numbers for the quarter. Speaking of banks, on Wednesday, it was Danish Danske Bank's turn to reveal their numbers. The stock plummeted, diving more than 9% lower. Analysts say that the bank did not sufficiently address its money laundering scandal, which pressured the stock price. The brightest shining star on Wednesday's stock market was Swedish Telia, who climbed more than 13% higher after a fantastic report, in which Telia also raised its guidance for the year-end results. Thursday was a sad day for the Finnish market as three large companies reported below expectation. Wärtsilä, Kone and Fortum fell near 5% each. Swedish tobacco company Swedish Match had a strong quarter, much thanks to their snus division where margins far exceeded analysts' expectations. The stock gained around 6% for the day. With just a few hours left of trading on Friday, the headlines for Sweden's weekend newspapers are already printed. Telia company has agreed to purchase Bonnier Broadcasting, consisting of TV channels TV4, C More and Finnish MTV. The purchase has stirred up discussions since the largest owner of Telia company is the Swedish government. Thus, the deal inherently increases the Swedish government's control over our media. That is it for this week's edition of Nordic Market News. We will take a short break over the summer and return again on Friday the 17th. So we will see you then. Enjoy your summer.